This trader made $2,900 trading US 30.
Heavy risk ako dito, guys. Up naman ako ng 2% sa phase 1 eh. So, I can risk this much. I think the setup is good, but it has to displace above this opening price para ma-confirm natin. Once we see that, we can trail our stop below. Nagkaroon na ng candle closure above this opening price. So, confirmed order block to. Sana'y patipihin tayo ni US30. Pag nalolos ka, gagalit ka sa sarili mo, sinisisi mo yung market. Guys, konting pitik na lang, may hit ng aking tepe. Boom, pasado ang phase 1. Let's go. So next is phase 2.
Join the Winner Circle Traders Discord community. Link in bio.